Hello everyone, my name is Professor Herman Sintim and I'm here to talk about the technology developed in my lab. So we have developed proprietary compounds that are effective against cancer and inflammatory diseases. For this particular presentation, I will focus on our work on acute myeloid leukemia. So AML is a devastating disease. About 30% of AML patients harbor a protein called FLT3, and those patients have worse prognosis, as you can see on these slides here. There are AML compounds that have been approved by the FDA that specifically target the FLT3 tyrosine receptor kinase. But just with almost any tyrosine receptor kinase inhibitor, resistance becomes an issue after a few months. And so both the first line treatment has seen some patients relapsing, and so there is a market or there is a need to develop new generation compounds that are effective against these mutated FLT3 kinases. This slide shows the AML market, and so it's got a reasonable size in US, Europe, as well as in Asia as well. And then the next slide also shows the market size in terms of the cost or for treating patients with AML. And so what is our technology? We have developed very facile or simple way of making proprietary compounds that selectively and potently inhibit these disease-driving proteins, in this case called protein kinases, and in some cases protein demethylase enzymes. Now the slide shows a specific example of our technology where we show that our compounds are actually more potent than drugs such as sorafenib and crenonalib that are currently in clinical trials being evaluated against AML. So we achieve potency and specificity at the same time. Our compounds are also orally bioavailable, and so here is an example of two of our compounds that when given dose orally to mice drastically reduce AML proliferation in mice. And so what are we looking for? We are looking for partners and investors to invest in this technology so that we do the preclinical development and then also do some pre-IND studies with the goal that we would be able to translate these compounds as a third-line treatment for AML. But in addition to FLT3, we also have the technology to target other cancer drivers. And so we also have different compounds that target important proteins such as ROCK kinases and other kinases that are also important in cancer and other diseases. If you want to contact me, here is my contact details. Also, you can also contact Joe Kasper at the Purdue OTC office. Thank you.